guys, Rob of the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. How y'all doing? Hey, today I've got a classic recipe for you. It's a good barbecue side dish or for a picnic or for a party. And you know, when you put it out, it's the first thing that's always gone. Deviled eggs. Okay? So easy to make. I'm going to show you real quickly. Now hang on. I'm going to show you. And it's so easy you can make it your way too. Alright? Here we go. And also, guess what? Duke's going to love it at the end. So hang on so you can see Duke. He's going to be loving these deviled eggs. Alright, here we go. Alright, first of all, we're going to get some eggs in this pan. Get them covered in water. I get them on the stove here. I let them boil for exactly 1 minute. Then turn the heat off. Then I put the lid on it and let them set for 30 minutes. And they will come out perfect every time, I guarantee it. Okay, we're going to give them a drain. Get that hot water off of them. Get some steam going here. Now we're going to fill the pan back up with some cold water. Alright, it's pretty easy so far. And with the cold water still running, I just like to crack them open, kind of rinse them as I'm peeling the shell back. Pretty simple. Now you may have one or two that just don't want to peel real easy, but most of the time they come out awesome, just like this one. Alright, there's our eggs. Now we're going to cut them in half lengthwise, like you cut down the center of a football. There they are, the perfect boiled eggs. And the yolk pops right out. Watch it jump out of there. Boom! Ah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I think I'll show you another one. I just kind of like doing this. Slice it. And shoot that yolk right in the bowl. Alright, we got all the yolks out. Now it's time to add some mayo. Use your favorite mayonnaise, okay? We're using Duke's. We're going to put about 3 heaping tablespoons of mayo in there. You may have to add a little bit more depending on how creamy you like it. Okay, now I'm going to add my favorite seasoning, Uncle Steve's Shake. I'm using the original shake today. You can use whatever you want. You could put relish in here. You could put cayenne pepper. You put salt and pepper. You could put onions. You could put bacon. You could put whatever you want. Okay, that's what's great about deviled eggs. You make them the way you like them. All right, you get it all mixed up. Get it as creamy as you want. And then it's just as easy as filling up these little eggshells. Do a couple for you right here, just kind of show you. You thought this was going to be hard. It's that easy. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. I'll show you another one here. Scoop and just fill them up. And then to top them off, a little bit more of my Uncle Steve Shake. But you know what? You could put paprika, you could put pepper, you could put cayenne, you could put whatever you want on top. Just kind of makes them look a little pretty. Alright, there's my deviled eggs. I'll tell you what, they look good enough to eat. So it's time to try one. Alright, let's give this bad boy a try. What do you say? No, Duke, you can't have this one. This one's mine. You got yours coming in a minute, alright? Hey, cheers. I love these things. Down the hatch, man. Tell you what, deviled eggs with Uncle Steve Shake is awesome. All right, man. Thanks for watching Barbecue Pit Dog channel. We'll see you next time, all right? Y'all take care.